let's work on our pattern. Are you ready? We have our penguin here, and then we go to our snowman. Say it with me. Penguin, snowman, penguin, snowman, penguin, snowman. I heard ya. All right, let's figure out what goes next. Here we go. Say it with me. Starting right here with our penguin. Penguin, snowman, penguin, snowman, penguin, snowman, penguin. And we have a sad little date right down here. You help me with the last little date. It goes down here. So let's start here. Start right here with penguin. Here we go. Penguin, snowman, penguin, snowman, penguin, snowman, penguin.
Snowman, yep.
Good job. All right, I'm going to put the snowman right here. And I'm sure you ladies already know, but I'm going to say working on patterns at home is a great idea. You can use cereal or toys or what have you. This is an A-B pattern because it's just A and B and A and B. Developing from there, you could double, so it'd be A-A-B-B, and just going from there. But this is the basic start. So once they start grasping this one, we'll move on to a more challenging one, which probably will be not February, but probably March, because we're almost solid with our A-B pattern, which is wonderful. We are doing some hard work in preschool, aren't we? Yeah. What kind of weather do we have outside today? It is definitely something. What is it? It is. Is it sunny? Sunny with clouds, cloudy, rainy, windy, or snowy?
Cloudy and snowy. And sunny or pretty sunny.
Is it sunny outside? Yeah, sunny? And it's definitely what? I can hear it in my house. Can you hear the wind blowing? No, it was very...
We just hear it here. I have wind chimes, and they are definitely clanging out there.
I was going to say, last night was awful. The wind was just...
Not clanging out there.
It's not? It's not... You don't have wind?
We don't have wind chimes.
Oh.
They're cranky.
No, who's cranky?
I said it was clanging.
Clanking? Oh, there you go.
I'll try to take a video of my wind chimes so you can hear them too.
How about we make a prediction for tomorrow and put our prediction square? What do you think Saturday's going to be? Sunny, sunny with clouds, cloudy, rainy, windy, or snowy? Sunny?
Julian thought it was sunny too.
Woohoo! Great minds think alike. And just to say while you're here, Julian's mommy, we don't have preschool Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday next week. My message went out too fast. It was I didn't realize I attached, and it's an old message. So there we go. So we will have a Zoom Thursday and Friday next week, and we're going to talk about Groundhog's Day. I hear you. Ready? Hold on. Let's say it together, Julian. Julian, listen in ears. You ready? Let's say it together, all of us. Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. All right, now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? All right, let's count to 15. Are we ready? Are you sure you're ready? Touch your nose if you're ready. Touch your nose. Touch the top of your head. Hands on head. Hands in lap. Put your hands in your lap. All right, let's count to 15. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Good job. All right, we're counting backwards. Remember, we're going to use our regular voice and then get very loud. So we're going to start with 5. Let me hear you. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Woohoo! All right, let's take a look at these colors. Julian, what color are my elephants?
That's my elephant.
What color are they?
That's my elephant. What color are the elephants doing? That's my color. That's my color. Gray.
There we go. Dalton, what color is the school bus? Good job. Julian, what color is My Little Pony right up here? What color is she? She is pink. Dalton, what color is Cecilia? She's not pink. What color is she? Purple. All right, let's look at some shapes. My shape that is blue, what is it? Triangle. Look at my triangle is blue. My shape that is yellow, what is it? What is this? A star. Good job, friends. All right, our nursery rhyme this week is 3 little kittens. Let's say it together. 3 little kittens. They lost their mittens, and they began to cry. Oh, mother dear, we sadly fear our mittens we have lost. Now, can you see my screen changing, or do I need to jump out of it?
Jump out.
Okay. There it goes. Little kittens, they lost their mittens,
and they began to cry. Oh, mother dear, we sadly fear our mittens we have lost.
What?
Lost your mittens,
Naughty kittens.
then you shall have no pie. Meow, 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 we shall have no pie. 3 little kittens, they lost their mittens, and they began to cry. Oh, mother dear, we sadly fear our mittens we have lost. What? Lost your mittens, you
Mrs. Hill said that it was a very bad lag, so I'm sorry about that.
I said the sound was there, but the picture, at least on mine, kept jumping.
Yeah. It's
Yeah,
okay though.
It's fine. We got the point.
And I love singing along with it. Ah, wrong one. I picked the wrong share. Oh.
Feels like a round.
That is a good song too, Julian. All right. All right, we're working on the letter F. What does F say? Bite that lip. Push that air through. What is this right here? It is a fish. This is the number 5. We have a fox. Here's the number 4. Here is a fire. And let's not forget about that fan. All start with the letter F. All right, we're going to sing about where we start our letters. Are we ready? At the top. You sing along with me. At the top. You want to start a letter, then you better. Put it in the middle. To make the letter what? What? What's the letter? No, there's no letter there's no line at the bottom. We have a big line down. We have a little line at the top, a little line in the middle, because we're making the letter F. There's no little line at the bottom. Ready? Let's make it together. Fingers at the top. And we say, big line down. Frog jump up. Little line across the top. Little line across the middle. And that's the letter F. F. And what does F say?